Some squares look hard. 35 squared, 48 squared, 25 squared. Each one looks like real multiplication work. But each square sits near a friendly base. Can you spot it? Pause the video. Try 35 squared in your head. Here is a hint. A number ending in 5 has a tidy shortcut. Here is the move. A square is the area of a square. This one is 35 by 35. Same area no matter how we cut it. Take the tens digit 3 times the next number up, 4. That makes 12. That is the hundreds. Now watch the picture. Pull off the little 5 by 5 corner. That is the 25. Swing the 5 by 30 strip down. Now it is a 30 by 40 block. That block is 1200. 1200 plus 25 is 1225. And the standard way agrees. Now a number near a round base, 48. 48 is just 50 minus 2. Start with the easy square. 50 times 50 is 2500. Now trim 2 strips. Each one is 50 long and 2 thick. That takes off 200. But the little corner was trimmed twice, so add the 2 by 2 back. That is plus 4. What is left is the 48 by 48 square. 2500 minus 200 plus 4 is 2304. Now it is your turn. A speed round. Square each one in your head. Beat the timer. This is the square near a base rule. If it ends in 5, write n times n plus 1, then tack on 25. If it is near a round base, square the base and trim the strips. Look for a square ending in 5 or near 50. One square, many cuts. The area never changes. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.